Eat More Food Connoisseur. I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about the restaurant and the food that I will be reviewing. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. Alright, I went to this spot called Ignite. It's a Caribbean spot. It's called Ignite Cuisine. It's located in Willingboro, New Jersey. I got the food with me right now. It's nice and hot. Didn't do the review inside because I don't want no copyright issues again. So what I ordered was a mixture of jerk chicken, jerk pork, which came with rice and peas, and I got a side of collard greens. The total came to $29. This was a recommendation from my homeboy Dave. We're gonna see what the food is hitting for. Let you see the food, and then we're gonna get involved in it. Give you a nice portion. Check this out. I don't see my collard greens. Well, hey, whatever. They gave me cabbage instead. So it is what it is. I want to try it out and see what it's hitting for. Is that something you think you might want to get involved in? This spot is located in my area in Willingboro, New Jersey. So let's see what we got here. Good. Delicious. Not spicy. Everything goes with each other. Try this by itself. You want to cleanse the palate. I got these fancy juices from there too, and that was included in the total of $29. It's pretty good. It was lemonade. It's pretty good if I don't say so myself. Let's get involved some more with this platter. Try the cabbage out. Oh. Okay, Ignite. Crunchy cabbage, delicious. Got shaved carrots up in it. I ain't mad at it. Cabbage is seasoned very well. You usually don't find someone that seasons cabbage, but I ain't mad at you. All right, the meat I had earlier had to been the jerk pork. This is the jerk chicken. It's pretty good. Oh man, good looking out, Dave. Definitely amazing. All the meat is seasoned. All the meat is seasoned up to perfection. The rice blend is good. Rice and peas. This is definitely an amazing meal. This is definitely a redo spot. This is very hard to put down. All right, let me explain to you what I got going on here. All right, all the seasonings that they use to season this food is going great with each other. The rice and peas, excellent. The jerk chicken, excellent. The jerk pork, excellent. The cabbage, the mixed blend of cabbage, because it has cabbage and it has meat in it and it has shaved carrots in it. I'm not a fan of carrots, but this cabbage is definitely amazing. All right, let me break the ratings down to you. The jerk chicken, 9.5. The pulled pork, 9.5. The rice and peas, 9.5. The cabbage, 10 all day on the money. I have never tasted cabbage seasoned up like that. Normally, people don't pay too much attention when it comes to cabbage. Not many people out here season their cabbage up. And to season this bad boy up to perfection is pure genius. I will definitely be making a repeat stop at this spot here and to check out some more of their items on the menu. Jerk chicken is usually spicy, especially jerk pork. This is not spicy, but it does provide a little kick to it. But for those of y'all that's not spicy people like me, you can handle it, because I did. Foodie fam, it's always a pleasure coming out talking to y'all on camera. You can hit me up on the other platforms, which is YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. Share me out with everybody you know. And there's a bell at the bottom of the button that's for notification to let you know when my videos drop. Today was an interesting day. Who can believe that Thanksgiving is right around the corner in a few days? It seemed like we went from summer straight to a little bit of tease of fall and smack dab into winter. It's just truly a blessing to be able to come out and talk to y'all and let you embark on my foodie endeavors. If you have any spots that you want me to try, hit me up in the comment sections. Any restaurants you want me to try, any bakeries you want me to try, any mom and pop shops you want me to try, let me know. Thank you for taking the time watching me. Tell your loved ones you love them. Give her a nice kiss on the cheek. And I'll be seeing you very soon in my next review. Y'all stay safe out there. To God be the glory. Eat more connoisseur. I'm out.